Welcome to Learn English Now.
I stayed home because it was raining. I stayed home because it was raining. She is happy because she got a gift. She is happy because she got a gift. He is late because of traffic. He is late because of traffic. I am tired because I worked all day. I am tired because I worked all day. The child is crying because he lost his toy. The child is crying because he lost his toy. She is studying because she has an exam. She is studying because she has an exam. We canceled the trip because of bad weather. We canceled the trip because of bad weather. He smiled because he heard good news. He smiled because he heard good news. I am learning English because it is useful. I am learning English because it is useful. She stayed quiet because she was upset. She stayed quiet because she was upset. I drank water because I was thirsty. I drank water because I was thirsty. He wore a jacket because it was cold. He wore a jacket because it was cold. She laughed because the joke was funny. She laughed because the joke was funny. I took a taxi because I was late. I took a taxi because I was late. The baby slept because he was tired. The baby slept because he was tired. She called her mother because she missed her. She called her mother because she missed her. I am smiling because today is my birthday. I am smiling because today is my birthday. He stayed inside because it was too hot. He stayed inside because it was too hot. She is saving money because she wants a house. She is saving money because she wants a house. I turned off the TV because it was loud. I turned off the TV because it was loud. The shop is closed because it is Sunday. The shop is closed because it is Sunday. He is angry because he was ignored. He is angry because he was ignored. I stayed silent because I was nervous. I stayed silent because I was nervous. She practiced daily because she wanted to improve. She practiced daily because she wanted to improve. The dog barked because it saw a stranger. The dog barked because it saw a stranger. I bought fruits because they are healthy. I bought fruits because they are healthy. She took medicine because she was sick. She took medicine because she was sick. He is confident because he prepared well. He is confident because he prepared well. I woke up early because I had work. I woke up early because I had work. She avoided sweets because she is dieting. She avoided sweets because she is dieting. I smiled because you helped me. I smiled because you helped me. He missed the bus because he woke up late. He missed the bus because he woke up late. She is proud because she won the prize. She is proud because she won the prize. I am relaxed because today is a holiday. I am relaxed because today is a holiday. The class was quiet because the teacher arrived. The class was quiet because the teacher arrived. He saved the file because it was important. He saved the file because it was important. She apologized because she made a mistake. She apologized because she made a mistake. I cooked at home because it is cheaper. I cooked at home because it is cheaper. He exercised because he wants to stay fit. He exercised because he wants to stay fit. She waited because she trusted him. She waited because she trusted him. I feel confident because I practice speaking. I feel confident because I practice speaking. The room is dark because the power is out. The room is dark because the power is out. He smiled because his mother praised him. He smiled because his mother praised him. She stayed positive because she believed in herself. She stayed positive because she believed in herself. I am careful because safety matters. I am careful because safety matters. He rested because his body needed it. He rested because his body needed it. She listened carefully because the advice was important. She listened carefully because the advice was important. I chose this path because it felt right. I chose this path because it felt right. They smiled because they were together. They smiled because they were together. I keep learning because knowledge is power. I keep learning because knowledge is power.